Okay.
Welcome, friends from across the globe. So one of our members asked us this question, and I thought it would be a great starting point for today's conversation.
Mm-hmm.
If you were to pick any sort of fragrance or perfume, what would it be and why?
I think I'd probably prefer like a spring scent to myself.
That's very nice. I think for me, I would pick something very fresh and floral, something very fruity.
Mm-hmm.
The other day I was observing a friend tending to their garden, and they had a great solution for keeping snakes away from their beautiful flower bed.
Do you smell that?
That, my friend, is the smell of mothballs. They keep the snakes away from the garden, and to human smell it is bearable, but to the snake it is terrible.
Wow. You know, believers carry with them the scent of Jesus. As the Holy Spirit works in the life of a person, the people around them can begin to see the changes in them. Everything and everywhere that person goes radiates life and the love of Jesus.
There are various concentrations that believers can carry with them, just as perfume has various levels of strength and the length of time that the scent can be experienced. A believer has the opportunity to learn to rely on the Holy Spirit for direction in every provision. Just as the amount of perfume applied can be adjusted, so we are called to soak ourselves in the presence of Jesus. As we do this, people will be drawn to Jesus through our testimonies, our words, and our character. Let's listen in as Dr. Kumuyi has some valuable truths about the Holy Spirit's protection.
You know, sometimes when people come to you and they give you something and they say this will shield you from every evil and from every attack. If it is coming from man, the shield is as strong as the man that gave it to you. The shield is as weak as the man or the woman that gave it to you. And maybe there's one papa somewhere, and then it's in the villages, you know, before the shrine and all that, and he gives you this, and he says, I'm giving you this, and this charcoal will be your dominion. It will shield you, my friend. That shield is as weak as that papa himself. Look at him, look at his life, look at his family. All that he gives you will be as weak as any athletic can be weak. But when Christ himself